Say you're studying for an exam practicing flashcards. You might want to practice more often flashcards you get wrong. One way you could do that is by looking halfway through the deck of cards and swapping flashcards with the one you got wrong, as to cut the cue to the flashcard you got wrong by half. Here's how you could implement that in code. So to begin, let's initialize a list of flashcard variables whose value determine their position in the queue. And so in this case, we'll just use 3 flashcards. Somewhere in the code, we might want to determine if the user's guess was correct. So we might make a Boolean value called wrong, where we determine if the user's guess is not equal to the answer. And then we might make a decision if the user choice was wrong, that we want to call a function called swap places. We will define it later, but we will call flashcard1. Let's say flashcard1 was wrong, and we want to swap places with flashcard3. After the function call, these values will become 3, this value will become 1. And then we want to define our function swap places. And we're going to be calling by reference the flashcard values, since we'll be editing them in the process. First, we'll begin by initializing a temporary variable. We'll call it temp, which stores the value of flashcard1, the position. So in that case, that's 1. And then we will set the value of flashcard1 to the position of flashcard2. So f1, 1, and when we call the function for flashcard1 to flashcard3, f1 becomes 3. And then f2 will be set the value of the temporary value. So we'll set that equal to temp, where 3 becomes 1. And then let's return the value, let's end the function call, return. And there you have it. Let's see how this is in an actual game. So this is a flashcard program that I wrote in C++, inspired by Anki flashcards. I use some of the knowledge I have from Python with string parsing, but still limiting myself by not using any arrays or vectors. Here I am just inputting the flashcard questions and answers with just names. Now I want you to take notice while I'm playing the game that for flashcard 3, I choose to say that I get it wrong. But then it shows up again in the position of flashcard 1. Alright, I hope you learned something from this video and you were entertained. Thank you for watching.